Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to turn on Cadillac Escalade with key step by step. Start by removing the metal key blade from the fob and unlocking the driver door manually. Insert the metal key into the ignition slot or turn the start knob while pressing the brake pedal. If your Escalade has a cover, flip it back to access the key slot. Follow the dashboard prompts and watch the indicator lights before driving off. To start reliably, press and hold the brake pedal, then turn the metal key to the accessory position to wake electronics. Next, rotate the key fully to the start position until the engine cranks, then release it once the engine runs smoothly. Listen for unusual sounds and check that the dashboard shows no warning lights. If the engine does not start, wait a few seconds and retry to protect the starter motor. If you're enjoying the video, like and subscribe to help us keep making useful guides. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, which offers smart voice control and powerful suction to tidy up crumbs and dust while you focus on car maintenance. It's a small time saver that pairs well with busy DIY routines. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If your Escalade won't start troubleshooting calmly. Try the metal key in the slot and test the fob battery. Watch the security light. A blink pattern can indicate an immobilizer or key recognition issue that may need reprogramming. Inspect the battery terminals for corrosion or loose clamps, and check for a clicking starter sound that suggests low battery power. When in doubt, contact roadside assistance or a trusted mechanic for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.